These are the parts that you need to turn a standard egg liner into a cruise control operated egg liner. First of all, there's a circuit board that has a microcontroller and a number of other components on it. Attached to that is a pair of capacitors that help the circuit to keep operating if you run into an area of dirty track. This is the infrared detector module. It comes with a couple of nuts on it that you can take off for mounting. It has an emitter and a detector at the front of the module, and when you mount it in the egg liner, if it comes up upon another train, it reflects the infrared and reacts to that. The final thing is another infrared device that picks up codes from a standard TV remote set for Sony. This is the remote that I use with this, and it allows you to adjust the top speed, the low speed. It allows you to start and stop the engine. And if you wish, you can put an LED at the back of the egg liner that will light up red when it detects something. It looks like it's a brake light that's going on. The egg liner itself needs a little bit of modification, and this is detailed on the web page, but I disconnect all of the wires that are on there and replace the wires to the track and to the motor with these, which plug directly into the wires that are on the circuit board. Here we have the circuit installed. Again, it's on an egg liner, but I temporarily put an infrared receiver module on the front. The infrared module that picks up the information from the remote controls on the back, along with a red LED to indicate that it's braking. And you can see when I put my hand in front of it, the LED on the back does light up. In addition, there's a pair of capacitors back here that are on a fairly long cord. They can be put just about anywhere. They are there to keep the circuit functional if you get across a little stretch of dirty track. Right now I have the system stopped. If I press the power button right here on the remote control, it'll start up, and you may notice the wheels are turning in a counterclockwise direction, so the engine would be going this way, and it's at full speed right now. If I put my hand in front of the sensor, it's going to slow down as though it's approaching another engine. If I want to change that low speed, I can just hold number 5. See, it's going slower, slower. I can actually bring it just about to a stop. So it's full speed, and then when it approaches, it's going to slow down a lot. Or I can bring that back up. Numbers 1 and 4 affect the top speed, and numbers 2 and 5 affect the low speed. So now we've got top speed, low speed, top speed, low speed. And again, if I press the power button, it will stop altogether. The sensor is still working, but the power is cut off to the engine. In this clip, the yellow and black egg liner is being chased by an egg liner without the body. You'll notice as the engine in back slows down, its red light at the tail lights up. It keeps a pretty consistent distance, except on the curves where the reflection is not quite as good, but it works rather well.